let's see what is dynamic and static type languages. In dynamic type languages, you can change the type of variable in a runtime. That means if you declare a string in a variable, later you can store a number or an array in the same variable, as well as an object or any kind of primitive data types. The best example of it is in JavaScript. Suppose if you declare a string in a variable as var a is equal to Aayush. Later you can store a number or an array in the same variable. But in static type languages, you will have to declare a type of variable if it's an integer, floating point, number, string, or an character. And then only you can perform operations on it. The best example of it is in C language. Suppose you create an integer as int my number is equals to 37. Here you are declaring my number as an integer. So which is preferable? Dynamic type languages provide flexibility and quick prototyping, where static type languages provides reliability and speed.